Is this boat amp legal? KickEQ KMA600.6 Marine Amplifier turns your yacht into a floating rave. Ever felt like your boat's audio setup is a total vibe killer? Like you're stuck in a yacht party with elevator music while your inner DJ is silently screaming? We get it. You dropped coin on that sweet ride, but the audio sounds like a phone inside a Pringles can. You've tried cheap amps, tangled wiring, and settings that only make your music fuzzier, not louder. And don't get us started on saltwater damage. It's enough to make you consider swimming back to shore. Your boat deserves better, and so do your ears. Now multiply that frustration by 3 zones. The deck, the waterline, and the cozy cabin, none of them banging the way they should. Sound feels scattered. You're yelling over static instead of vibing to crisp, full-range audio. You're watching friends bail mid-party because your marine sound system can't handle a simple playlist. The stress of trying to EQ everything with a janky setup while the sun sets? Yeah, borderline traumatic. You didn't buy a boat to fight with your amp. You bought it to make waves, and feel them too. Enter the KickEQ 48 KMA600.6 Marine Amplifier, the absolute beast that takes your boat from bland to bangin. With 6x100 watt power across 6 channels and support for 3 independent zones, this isn't just an amp, it's your boat's backstage pass to high-fidelity bliss. Built with a weather-resistant, conformal-coated circuit board in 316L stainless steel hardware, the KMA600.6 doesn't just survive moisture, it mocks it. Need bass? KickEQ hits you with a 6 dB boost where it counts. 1 amp 12 speakers. A floating concert. Boom. So what do you actually get? Pure audio clarity. Cross-zone control. A 750-watt Class D design that pumps clean power without draining your battery. Built-in 12 decibels crossovers let you fine-tune every inch of sound, and the small footprint means it hides neatly while blowing minds. This thing's not just marine grade, it's marine elite. Whether you're hosting a sandbar rave or enjoying solo sunsets with a soundtrack, the KickEQ KMA600.6 lets you hear and feel the moment like never before. If you're serious about marine audio, you're not skipping this amp. Don't sit on this, Captain. These amps are flying off docks faster than free tequila on cruise night. Join thousands of boaters who finally turned their deck into a dance floor. This is your shot to own the water with sound that slaps. No risk, just ridiculous reward. Click, grab yours, and be the one everyone here's pulling up. Limited stock. Unlimited vibes. Hit play on your marine audio revolution right now.